Java Certification Training Course. If you're looking to master web application development for virtually any computing platform, this Java Certification Training Course is for you. This training course will give you a firm foundation in Java, the most commonly used programming language in software development. Topics: Lesson 1, Introduction to Java EE. Lesson 2, Java Servlet 1. Lesson 3, Java Servlet 2. Lesson 4, Java Server Pages. Lesson 5, Introduction to Hibernate. Lesson 6, Hibernate Queries and Relationship. Lesson 7, Introduction to Spring. Lesson 8, Spring AOP. Lesson 9, Spring JDBC and Spring Hibernate. Lesson 10, Spring MVC. Lesson 11, SOA and Web Services. For more information, visit our website www.intelligencegateway.com.